What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a I got a lot to do video. So I actually have a project case that I need to get put back together, as you can see right here. Get this one ready to be prepped for painting as well. And I have a buddy of mine that sent over some GPUs, and we're going to slam them all in this case right here. I got one testing in right here, because the box that one was in was kind of iffy, so we're testing that one out and made sure that it was fine. It's fine, so we're gonna move on. I might test all of them on this board, just because this board has actually given me and Nim a few issues with actually this case, but it's always been this one port right here. It's never been able to work right, so we're gonna try it today. Maybe if we can get it up and see if we can get it running, all 8 of them on this board, after we get it put back together. Let's put this back together. There it is, guys. All of its FA glory. That's right, with the DCA blue and the orange. Even the buttons are orange. Freaking FA, guys. FA all the way around. Only thing I wish is that I accidentally did not paint this one spot as well as I should have, I guess. For whatever reason, I thought this was the other case. In the other case, this lip sits over it. So I thought this was that case, and it's not, so now it looks meh. So, whatever. Now, let's go ahead and slam the 580s into here and see if it'll get all 8 of them hashing on this board. We've had issues with it, so we'll get them on here and test them all out and see what you can profitably mine with an Rx580 rig after the Ethereum merge, which is in like a weekish or so. So let's fill this bad boy up. It is together. They are all in there. The case is backwards because the flow in the room, the exhaust is behind me. But we got it hooked up just temporarily. Alright, right now we are actually pulling about almost 2,700 watts. It's completely stock right now. So I'm actually kind of curious of what it does pull compared to what Hives does. So I'm going to turn off that. And I'm going to turn off that. Now, we see exactly how much this thing is pulling. Now, right now it is just on Ethereum, so you can see we're about 1,600 watts currently. Let's see what it's pulling according to Hive. So Hive OS shows 1,029 watts for this rig. Now, all these cars are pulling like 130 watts, which is just absolutely like ridiculous. No need for that whatsoever. So we're gonna apply an overclock setting real fast. But yeah, let's look at it inside the miner real fast to see what it says. Yeah, so they're all averaging about 130 watts a piece. Pop in about 23 megaamps. Now, these cars are like 100% stock, like 100%. So, just apply a general overclock to them. Uh, 875. That'll put them around 75-ish watts. Clock 2000 state voltage. Leave it aggressive undervolt even though they're stock. And we will just click this one because they are Hynix cards. Save. There we go. We started dropping watts. Remember, we went from like almost 1,700 watts, 1,600 watts down to about 1,100 watts. Now, of course, you have to account for the motherboard, the 4 fans. There's 4 server fans on the other side of that, so those do account for something. So there we go, 75, 77 watts a piece. Still pushing about 23 mega hashes, so we didn't lose any mega hashes, but we did drop our watts considerably. But still, we are pulling 605 watts compared to about 1100. So about 500 watts or so more than what Hive is actually even saying. That's wild. Absolutely wild. So on the next video, guys, we're going to go over like what the most profitable thing is. I was just glad to get this thing up, hashing. All the cards are doing fantastic. Absolutely like them. They look killer inside this case. Personally, I wish they were going to stay in here, but they're actually going to go into that case up there. So. Let's get everything back on. Freaking awesome, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Much love. Peace out. And stay hashing. Yo. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. See you every time that we go live here on the channel.